Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video, we don't have a vlog, but we do have a vlog style haul for you guys, and it's all the blouse and just t-shirts that we picked up from Lulu and Sky recently. So we hope that you guys enjoy watching this haul in vlog style, and that's all that I had to say. Let's get started. So guys, this is the first one. Show the sleeve. Okay.
So my review for this one is कि it's really nice. मतलब considering the material अच्छा है. मतलब the regular t-shirt material only. Also since it's full sleeves, you can wear it anytime. And Bangalore में वैसे भी गर्मी इतनी नहीं रहती है, so it's fine. Apart from that, one thing I would like to say is कि इसका length बहुत ज़्यादा है.
हाँ.
But मतलब I don't really like wearing it like this. So I think बस इसको ऐसे tucking करके अगर पहनना तो it's really nice.
Okay. Also, this we ordered in size M, but we think that for size M, this is actually a little small. So how many points would you give for this? Ratings?
For the style and the material, I would give it 7 out of 10.
I would give 6. Okay, next. Ooh, girl, this is so pretty. Wow, this is actually very nice, and I like the fit on you.
Yeah, it's actually really good. This is actually one of my favorite picks from all the things we picked up from Lulu and Sky.
Yeah, mine too. And the cloth is also nice. Like material is nice.
Material is nice.
Generally ऐसा वाला transparent निकल जाता है, but it's not transparent.
इसके अंदर भी there's a material.
हाँ, yeah, that's what.
Which is not making it transparent.
And sleeves are also
Sleeves
nice.
are also really nice. I think it's really fancy for a casual day out.
Yeah, and guys, I also tried it, and even though it looks kind of small, but it fit me also. So that was a win-win situation for both of us. So how many stars would you give this one?
I would give it a 9. I think ये मेरा favorite है अभी तक का.
Yeah, I would also give it a 9.
And the fit is also so good.
Yeah.
It's not loose from any. Also this thing is quite tight, so it's not like कि ऊपर नीचे होता रहेगा. So I like it.
Guys, please let us know how many ratings would you guys give in the comment section below for each of these clothes that we are sharing. Okay, next one.
Coming. So ये हम लोग का third top है.
Oh wow.
And this is also one of my favorite tops, I would say. इसका fit भी बहुत अच्छा है, guys. Like look at the fitting. मैं बहुत पतली हूँ and hardly clothes fit me, but I think this is really good. I mean the fit is really good, but हाँ size थोड़ा छोटा है.
So this one, guys, we picked it up in M, and I think इनके clothes generally run small, so it fits गुड्डू like generally गुड्डू को ऐसे कपड़े जो भी fit होते हैं वो XS या S होते हैं, but this is M. So if you want an M, I think you should size up. And I can fit into this, but it's a little bit tight on my bust area, so yeah, but it's so pretty. I'm kind of jealous. How much would you rate this?
Again 9 out of 10.
I think I'm going to rate it 10 out of 10.
Yeah, actually.
बाल हटाओ, अपना वो sport दिखाओ.
It's not off shoulder, but it's the neckline is like this, which actually makes it really beautiful.
Yeah.
Also the fact that it's it's really fit till here and it just like
Flares up
over here, so it really makes it look nice.
Yeah, it's very flattering. Okay, so this is the next one. This is a very simple one, ना मतलब ज़्यादा कुछ चल नहीं रहा है. It's a very simple one.
Yeah, I like the sleeves.
हाँ.
There's a detailing.
हमने बस sleeve के लिए लिया था ये.
Actually, the website पे ये थोड़ा अच्छा material का लगा था, but when it arrived, it's kind of very thin. So अंदर you have to wear a camisole or something.
Yeah.
Otherwise you can't really wear it out. But it's a comfortable top. The material
Yeah.
is nice and comfortable, so you can wear it.
Show the sleeve. How much would you rate this?
I would rate it around 6.
Show that one. I mean, it's the same, but still. Okay.
I would rate it around 6 because it's very thin. I mean, it's very transparent. So
I would rate it 7. मतलब पहनने पे it looks better. I mean, it looks good. So even though it's transparent.
यहाँ पे एक नाड़ा है ताकि you can like adjust how you want it to be.
हाँ.
So you can like make it really croppy.
So this is the next top. This is one of my favorites. Matlab, I really like the embroidery and everything here. And it's very comfortable. Cloth is also really nice. And it has this stretchy fabric here. I don't know what
Elastic.
Elastic. And of course off shoulder. So this is how it looks like. And I would rate this a solid 9 because I love simple tops but something going on, like something simple but nice, you know. So I think this is my favorite. How much would you rate it?
I think it looks really good on you. Even I would rate it around 9.
Right? It's so nice, so simple and nice. And I love this color on me. I feel like this color compliments me a lot.
Yeah.
And also I can wear this to work if, you know, of course if I don't want to wear it off shoulder, I can wear it like this.
Yeah, you can wear it like that.
I love wearing this color for work. It just looks so professional. I love it. So yeah, next one. So this is the next top. Again, one of my favorite. I don't have very many jean material tops, so I think this is a nice one. And again, off shoulder. Off shoulder is not going out of trend anytime soon. So yeah, it's very simple. ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं इसमें, कुछ embroidery, nothing. Very simple. बस ये जो pattern है, this kind of gives it a little more structure. And yeah, how much would you rate it?
Looks really good on you.
How much would you rate it?
Probably 8.
Yeah, me too. 8. It's a little short though. Like
Yeah.
you have to, if you don't wanna like show this, then you have to wear high waist. But otherwise, it's so pretty, and I think
It's really pretty.
I'm going to wear it a lot in my videos. So this is the next one, and even though it looks very small, na, matlab when we unpacked it, we thought that this will most likely not fit me. But it ended up fitting me well. Like, matlab, it's very stretchable, and even it's not.
Is it comfortable?
It is. Matlab, yeah, it's pretty comfortable. So yeah. Okay, next one. So this is the next one, and this is हम दोनों का favorite, है ना?
हाँ.
Matlab, we both loved it. The fit, the quality, everything. Sleeves be they are a little bit long, so it just, I don't know, like it gives you like a very cool athleisure kind of vibe, and you can totally wear this outside also. Matlab, you know, if you don't want to dress up too much, I think this is a perfect t-shirt. And Guru and I also want to shop like different colors of it. So there was pink and कौन सा था?
Blue, sky blue.
So pink and sky blue. So after trying this out, we were like, okay, the fit is so good. Like somehow, if you've tried a lot of these kind of tops, you will see this kind of, like, I don't know how to explain, but it weighs your shoulders down in some way. But this one does not do that, which is perfect. So we love the fit, we love the quality, we love the sleeves, and this is one of our favorite picks from this entire purchase. And I would easily rate it 9. I know there's nothing special about it, but still.
For a casual day out, it's really good.
For casual day out, it's very nice. Not even casual. मतलब अगर घर पे भी ऐसे chill करना है, looking cool, totally nice.
Yeah.
So this is the next one, and we love the color, of course. So yeah, I would rate 9. How much would you rate it?
Same here.
9. Guys, let us know how much would you guys rate it. So this is the next one. Let me try the next one. So this is the next one, and I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it doesn't really suit me.
But it actually looks good though. I mean, you might be feeling that way, but when you see in the pictures and stuff, it's looking good.
And we also have to figure out how to tie this knot.
Yeah.
We did a really bad job of tying this. I mean, it's cool, like it's fancy and all, but I'm not sure if it suits me, you know. I think it suits you better than me.
Okay, so how much would you rate it?
I would give it 6.
I would give it 7. It actually looks good on you.
Okay, next one. So this was my choice, and it was because of this detail. I really loved it, and what sold me on this was the sleeve. Look at how fancy the sleeve is. I don't know how to show the sleeve, but I really like this and sleeve. So, and it's comfortable. So that's all I'm asking for in an off shoulder. Sometimes off shoulder can be a little like which this is not. So this is the next one, and I would rate it 8. I would rate it 8. You?
I don't really like it that much.
Oh, really?
I would rate it, okay, it looks good on you. I would rate it 7. मुझ पे बहुत ख़राब लग रहा था.
Because it was a little loose on my side.
Maybe.
Yeah. So this is the next one. This is the last one, and quite frankly, this is not my favorite. I think website pe this was one of those items which looked a lot better, but in real life it turned out to be extremely transparent. So there's no way that you can just wear this. You have to wear a nice thick camisole, which kind of defeats the purpose of, you know, like a top like this. But yeah, doesn't look bad necessarily, but I'm really disappointed that it turned out so transparent. So, and also it's not very flattering. Like, it's very simple. Material is also very blah. So this turned out to be a dud, and I wouldn't really recommend it. What about you?
Same here. I don't really like the material. It's really thin.
Yeah.
It kind of looks cheap.
It looks cheap. It doesn't look like it's from Lulu and Sky.
Yeah.
So that was the last item, you guys, from this haul. We really hope that you enjoyed it, and especially that it was in a vlog style. We hope that it was a little different from the kinds of haul that you watched from my end. So that's all. If you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also click on the bell notification right next to it, follow me on Insta, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.